Hi guys, I'm Micaela C. Alfante, and for this video, I will be performing the logic and or and not gate. So first, here is our breadboard over here. We have the dip switch, the IC or the integrated circuit, and or and not, the wire, the resistor, the LED, and last but not the least is our battery, which is the main source of our power. So first, I will be performing the logic AND gate. So the rule for the logic AND gate is if both A and B are true, then Q is true. So here is our truth table here. And the switch for our logic AND gate is switch 1 and 2 in the dip switch. So if A and B is off, our output would be off. So here it is off. This is the output of our logic AND gate. So if A and B, A is off and then B is on, here our output would be off. Here is the 0. So next is if A is on and then B is off, our output will be off. And lastly, if A and B are on, our output would be on. So our LED is lighting up. That's it for our logic AND gate. So next is the logic OR gate. So the rule for the logic OR gate is if either A or B is true, then Q is true. So here is our truth table over here. If A is 0 and then B is 0, our output would be 0 or off. So here is our output. And then if A is 0 or B is 1, and then our output will be 1 or on. So here A is 0, B is 1. So our LED will light up. Next is if A is 1 and then B is 0, our output would be on. So here, that's it. So this would be the output. This one. And if both A and B are on, and then our output will be on. So let me perform it in our dip switch. So that's it for our logic OR gate. Next is we have the logic NOT gate. So logic NOT gate is if A is not true, then Q is true. So here is our truth table. So basically, NOT gate is just the reverse. So if A is off, then our output will be on. Here, off. So this will be the output of our logic NOT gate. And then if A is on, our output will be off. Right over here, this one. So that's it for our video. I hope you learned something. Thank you.